Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we got this challenge lock here from Justapickin. We'll put that here. And the key's already unmummified right there because I done a video on it last night. But with what all he's done to this, I didn't give it justice, so I thought, heck go, we'll just do it again. Alright, so here's what we got. Let's see how we fare up against it. Alright, nothing on one. Little click out of 2. Little click out of 3. See if we can go ahead and get a little out of 4. 5, no. 6. Man, I got 6, yeah. There is 1. 6 gets so low back there in the back. Gets a pain in the butt to try to get underneath it. Feels like a little bit of a false set. Get a little out of 6 there. There. Good golly. It don't want to go. 1, 2, 3. 4. Out of 5. 6 there. Let's see here. Let's go clockwise with it here. Alright, there is 3, 4, nothing on 5, 6 is a low cut back there in the back. Good golly, is a pain in the butt. It still needs a little motivation. Alright, there we go. There's 6. There is 1. Now we got a little bit of false set. Let me turn this a little more. Alright. Well, I lost my place. 1, 2, 3. A little counter rotation off of 4. There's 4 set. Into a deep false set with number 5. Now let me get this thing out. I can tell you from where I picked it last night, this number 5 is a high cut and a half. Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5. I got 5. Hold on. Yep. Alright. Counter rotation. Come on now. You back got a float 5 in there. I think I dropped some stuff, or maybe I didn't get it set good or something. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Let's see here. Let a little pressure off. Now we got a false set, little one. Let's see here, one. Big false set back. I think it was 4 that rotated a little there. Yeah. There we go. Alrighty. A little bit of ping pong action in there, but by George, we got it done. Let me move this back a little bit here. Take this out of here. Hold it there. Move that over there. Drag this way. Move that. Lay it there now here. Let me angle this down a little. There we go. Move it up. Alrighty. So now, get this ring off the back here. Little handy eyeglass repair kit. Makes for a pretty good little screwdriver. Alright. Don't be a pain. Well, I roll it a little this way. Now, there's a finger. Now, come on. Looks like a blind leading the blind trying to get this thing off here. Alrighty. I got it started there. I'll take you off that way, by God. Good golly. I'll straighten that back out. That's a little damage. Alrighty. Let's get a shim here. And we locked it back up there. Oh, and I don't know if you have watched it yet, but I bought the HBO Max just to watch the Godzilla movie and the Mortal Kombat movie. But that Mortal Kombat movie, I thought that was pretty good. That was pretty cool. Alrighty. Get that going up through there. I'll have to show you what all is in here. Alrighty. Look at this focus. They is pen in pen key pens. And number 2, 3, and 6. That is just crazy. Now, here. Watch here, you gotta see it. He done beautiful stuff with this. As you can see there, number 5 here. It's the one that had all the counter rotation off of it. Because it is way down in there. Well, if that blessed thing would want to focus. It is way down in there. So, there is 1. There is 2. There's a pen and pen part. Number 3. Another pen and pen. I'll take them apart there and show them to you here in a minute. Alright. Number 5. Number 6. And if you look in the core here, if it'll focus. I don't know if this helps it to focus or not. Let's see here. Let's bring it in nice and slow. We'll sneak up on it. Alright, there we go. But yeah, they is threading in 6, nutting in 5, countermilling in 4. That's a tough lip there. Threading in 3, and 1 and 2 is clear. Alright, so now let's see what's up top here, and then I'll show you them pins there. Now I lost this number 1 last night. Oh, there we go. About done it again. It's a big, I don't even know if, I guess that's like a monster serrated, something other like that. Have another serrated. And number 3, a big serrated. I guess you'd almost say it's like a double spool. Number 4 is a spool. It's getting down in there. I can't hardly see now. Well, now we'd have 1 to do the jump. There. Another little really thin spool in number 5. That's what gives the big fit. Alright. Get this shim out the way. And this thing is a Euro cylinder. Number 6 is way up in there. Can't even see where it's at. There we go. Number 6, which is a big serrated deal. Alright. See if I turn this flashlight on. See if that'll help show these pins off a little bit. And there goes the core. I know I was bound to drop something. Here, I can do this here with this camera. There. Sorry about having to move that there, but I figured I could show them off a little better this way. But number 3, look here. That just looks like a serrated key pin, but slides apart right there for a 2-piece. Number 4 is solid. Number 5 is solid. And number 6 here is the same way. Looks like a big serrated, but slides apart like that right there. So you get this little crazy pin and pin. But there is the one out of number 6. Number 5 is a real skinny spool. Number 4, nice spool. Number 3, and it gets like this right here. I don't know if you call them like really deep, big serrations or double spool or what, but it's really nice. Here looks like the mini-me version of it. Number 2, and number 1. So you talk about a whole lot of feedback in that thing. But yes, there's the pin and pins. But yes, this is done by Justapickin. So be sure and go over there and check him out right there because he does some really good stuff. But thank you for watching now. Bye-bye.